And right here, if you have a convertible or a hardtop, you're going to have the quarter window leading edge molding. They come in pairs and they're symmetrical, so left and right will be the same. What you want to do is take the original one, which usually is hard or broken, and just grab it really tight and slide it down. It should come right out of there within that channel. So let's go ahead and take the new one out of the plastic. And you can take it, slide it right up, make sure it goes all the way and should be flush with the top and the bottom, and then you'll have a nice seal.